What's going on, everybody? It's Negative Edge back at you with another video. This time I will be modifying my HTC Vive Cosmos Elite with the Samsung Gear Lens mod. Before you are the items that you need, and I'll explain what they do in the video. Stay tuned. Alright, we got the Gear Lens mod package. That's what I'm holding right now. And I'm about to struggle trying to open the package. So let's speed this up some. Forgive me, I'm a newbie when it comes to doing stuff like this. But anyway, I'm unpacking the actual lenses. I got it from, I believe the seller's name is Justapox, something like that. I'll leave a link in the description and on the video. From esty.com, esty.com. But yeah, there's a person on there that makes, these lenses, this modification for the Vives. Since the Vive have a small sweet spot using the Fresnel lens, and this eliminates the tiny sweet spot, making the whole lens a giant sweet spot where it's very clear. And also you will not have any guide rays, period. All right, so I took off the faceplate and there's the lens right there. I got the hair dryer. The reason why I'm doing that because the lens are glued, to the compartments or whatever. So the hair dryer is going to loosen up the glue, so it'll be easier for me to pop out the lens. All right, so I got a small screwdriver and a butter knife, and what I'm doing is wedging the screwdriver in between the little groove where I can stick the butter knife in and easily pop out the lens. I didn't damage the lens, but to be honest with you, I don't care about the Fresnel lens because those lenses are garbage. This is why I got the mod. So as you see, the glue was loose and everything. It was easy for me. Excuse me. I'm sorry. It was easy for me to pop it out. All right. So, shoot, the hell with that lens. We don't want that. Those are garbage. I'm not keeping them. I'm throwing them out. So like I said, I took a small Phillips head, small flathead, put it in between the groove and the lens itself, just enough, where I kind of like pry it. And then that's where the butter knife comes in. So, once I open up the little seal gap in between, I get the butter knife and then I can pry the lens out. I don't use no force. I don't use no brute strength or nothing like that. That's why I took the, that's why I took the hair dryer to, kind of melt the glue a little bit so it'll be easy to pop out. So yeah, it looks like I'm prying it out, but to be honest with you, it's real simple. And you will not damage, the Cosmos, the lens area, whatever, as long as you do it right. So I took the lens right out. So there we go. Now I'm about to, I got the duster just to, eliminate the dust I might have got inside the lens or whatever, the actual headset. Never point up or never point down with the duster because, some of the liquid will come out. So that's why I tilted the headset sideways where I could easily blow the, dust out or whatever. Yeah, one final touch just to get the rest of the dust out. And, for just in case purposes, I, ran it over the lens too. All right, now it's time to apply the lens. These things go in so simple. Just line them up, place them, and snap them in. The glue that's already there is going to catch and hold it in place. This is a very simple mod. Oh, and by the way, this modification, it cost me $90, but it's so worth it. Like I said, if anybody owns a HTC Vive, no matter what model, from the OG Vive to the Pro to the Elite to the Cosmos, Elite, whatever, you're going to want this mod. But as you can see, I put the lenses in there with no problems. Now I'm putting the faceplate back on. And the modification is complete. That's all it takes. That's all it takes. And now I'm about to show y'all how it eliminates the God rays and how clear, everything is from, you know, the phone and everything, But as you can see, it's complete. Now into the matrix.
Echo, activate the matrix.
Powering up the matrix. Loading VR modules. The matrix is now online and active.
Just showing off my VR room. Alright, so now I got the Vive port running, and this is the best I could do with the phone, but as you can see, there's no God rays, screen door, nothing like that. And the entire lens itself is a sweet spot. The Fresnos that came with these headsets or whatever, terrible. You see all kind of rings which are God rays and stuff like that, and the sweet spot is very small.
Echo, terminate the matrix.
Shutting down the matrix. The matrix shutdown is successful and currently offline.
And there you have it. That's the Samsung Gear lens mod for the HTC Elite Cosmos. Fully complete. And yes, that's the wireless adapter to it.